Morning, George. Welcome back to another episode of the Chesterton Ask the Expert.
Hey, Michael.
Good to see you again. There's an issue that's been raised recently about the safety features involved with gland packing adjustments. These days, industry is really pushing towards keeping personnel's hands away from rotating equipment, and yet one of the fundamental requirements for packing to be able to get the consolidation going is to be able to adjust the packing while the pump is running. And yet, the mandate is to not do that anymore. You have to turn your pump off. Yeah. But how are we going to get around that?
Well, that's fundamental because, as you know, packing works by having lubricants internally, and every Chesterton packing is lubricated.
Mm-hmm.
Every strand is lubricated. But as you're actually squeezing it, you're actually consuming that lubricant. So you actually need to keep on adding load to be able to have the packing consolidated and axially against the shaft sleeve.
Yep.
These 2211, 2212 Chesterton packings can help with that simply by having a nice firmer, stiffer aramid fibre on the back, which acts almost like a spring.
Yep.
So that certainly helps.
Yep.
But that's not enough.
Yeah.
Because you still need to adjust the glands. So one of the great things that Chesterton has actually come out with is an automated packing adjustment system.
Mm-hmm.
It's based on, if you just look under here, it's actually based on a pneumatic system of just cylinders.
Yeah, so you've got two cylinders that are just basically pushing down against the gland follower.
That's it, basically. You've got, depending on the size of the gland, you've got 2, maybe 4 of these situated around the gland.
Yep.
And that actually is constantly loading the packing.
Mm-hmm.
So no longer have you actually got to go and do the adjustments.
So what energizes the pistons?
Pneumatic. So there'll be either a
Okay.
cylinder or plant air.
Okay.
It doesn't take a lot, but that's all it needs. And that actually provides you a constant load so that the packing is not seeing a loading, deloading, and it increases the life. And of course, as you mentioned before, the important thing is that you're actually keeping people safe.
That's right. Yeah, I guess all you can have to do is change the pressure.
Adjust the
feeding
pressure
to
and
the unit, and then that will obviously ensure that you're
cylinders,
reducing your leakage.
Cylinders push a little bit harder
right.
Off you go again.
Okay. Oh, that would really solve that problem, won't it?
Works a treat.
Works a treat. That's fantastic. Oh, that's great. And you can get them in all different sizes?
Yeah, it's a custom product.
Mm-hmm.
So it's every one will be designed according to the size of the equipment. I guess eventually Chesterton may also come out with a more standard product. But at the moment, it's a custom product that if a customer has a requirement, we just take the dimensions, the pressures, the application details, and they work on how many of these units are required based on the size of the shaft as well.
That's fantastic. So to get over this issue, we choose the right packing, something that's going to consolidate itself as it is, and then also have a device like an automatic gland adjusting system to ensure the load continues to stay.
Yeah, so that works with any packing, but it's ideal if it works with that packing. This is brilliant stuff, and in combination with all the Chesterton packings, it works.
Very innovative idea.
It's very good.
Well done. Oh, thanks, George. See you next time.